Hey guys, welcome to our very own YouTube channel Success Sequence, where we deal analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So as you guys could see, we have gone long onto the Nifty, and as you can see, the market did open gap up, and still the bullish bias looks intact. So in today's video, we are going to analyze whether this up move will continue. If yes, what are the levels we are going to observe. Apart from that, we are also going to see one particular stock future call that we have taken today and the reason why we have taken that particular option trade, future trade, sorry. So let me just share the option data analysis with you. So option activity range for the Nifty is 10,500 to 11,000. Call data suggests that the market participants are continuously buying the call option at a high level. So 10,750 to 11,000 strike prices have seen a continuous call buying. On the lower side, I can see that 10,500 to 10,700 the call short is getting covered now. So all in all, the bias is still look stable to bullish. If you analyze the put data, what you can see is again a put writing has happened, and the maximum change in open interest strikingly happened at a level of 10,600 to 10,700, suggesting that the market participants are expecting a support at a lower level. So we could continuously observe that the support is getting pushed onto the high side, which is suggesting that if there will be any sort of down move, all the dips could be used to buy, and the market should go up unless and until it breaks below its 8 days exponential moving average, which is as of now has placed quite below to a lower level. So if you analyze the candlestick pattern, what you can see that the market has been trapped in this particular range, and now it has broken above this kind of range. So we can see that 2 days of strong bullish candle is there. There may be some sort of consolidation at a high level, but still I feel that any dips could be used to buy until the time the 10,630 level is holding on to this particular chart. We can definitely see an up move continuing. If you see the CCI level, you can definitely see that the 100 is now breached. There is a break of exponential average. MACD is also suggesting a bullish crossover, and RSI is already suggesting a bullishness because it is trading above plus 50 zone and above its exponential moving average. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So let me just pull out the chart of Bank Nifty. So we'll discuss the option activity range first. 25,000 to 26,000 is the broad option activity range for the Nifty. For the Bank Nifty, you can see that from this particular level we could see that the market has been going up only. If you see that the this particular in today's Nifty Bank Nifty move, you can see that the market has broken out from the particular range bound scenario which it has been struggling to get out of. Now you can see that since the Nifty has already crossed below its resistance zone, the Nifty Bank Nifty has now just managed to break above its exponential zone. So again, it is suggesting that now the crucial resistance has been passed and market should trade on a high side. Now, if you closely analyze the candle, it did suggest that there has been some sort of selling at a high level, because you can see that market could have closed onto a high level, but since there was some selling, the close did pushed below, and you can see some sort of wick on a high side. So though it is indicating that the market participants are expecting some sort of resistance at a high level, the call chart data suggest otherwise, because we can see that 25,626,000 strike prices has seen a good sort of call buying happening at a high level. On a lower level, 25,500 to 25,000 level has seen a good amount of call short covering. So definitely expect a volatility and a stable to bullish move if this level continues. On the put side, we can see that the continuous put writing is getting continued. So fresh bullish position at a high level on a call side, call short covering at a lower level on a call side, and continuous put writing is suggesting that the market should trade on a stable to bullish kind of move. If you see the Bank Nifty coming near 25,436 kind of level, and if it faces some sort of support near there, you can definitely go long at this particular level and expect a target of this candle's high. Now, if you see the CCI, MACD, and RSI, they are already trading above their exponential moving average. Then MACD has just generated a bullish crossover near its zero zone. So expect a good sort of bull move if this particular level holds on to. Now, let me just share the what particular trade we have taken for today. So if you let me just show you my WhatsApp broadcast. So today I message to my subscribers that we are going long with the Titan future near closing. So let me just pull out the chart of Titan and explain why I feel that the Titan should open gap up, and the reason as well. So this particular trade we take to make a quick money. We buy a particular stock, futures or indices future near as close as market as we can, and then immediately next day, if the stock opens with our expectation or not, we definitely cover our book profit or loss, whatever that may be. But mostly I feel that since the stock has been trading on a high side with a bullish crossover, we can definitely expect a bullish crossover as soon as the market opens. If with a gap up move, we can definitely book our profit and get out of the market and do not worry for the rest of the day. Now there is a bullish crossover. The stock has just took support near its 8 days exponential moving average uh, and opened up. It has also breaked its previous crucial resistance which it has been facing on a previous side. Further, you can see that the CCI has just break its exponential average and now it is going towards 100 zone. MACD is already trading below its exponential zone but has generated a bearish crossover. So break of exponential average can get us a good gain. RSI is already has already broke its exponential zone, exponential average, and trading in a plus 50 kind of fashion. So I definitely expect that this particular stock should open gap up, and the target could be 991 as of now. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn the system that I have been using to generate buy and sell signal, you can definitely check out the video description for the detailed playlist that I have created. Thank you.